This is Dale Randall, and I'm recently this summer I finished a case and put new material on it. And as you can see from these pictures, it was in pretty rough shape. And I've been working on guitars and stringed instruments for many years, and working in cases would seem like as big a problems as the instruments themselves. Uh, they use a lot of the same parts, like the split rivets and so forth. On this one, I replaced all the split rivets with new ones, and I got those from the internet. They're nickel-plated split rivets, and they're in 3 different sizes. Getting them out of the old one was part of the hardest part. When they're bent over, they're pretty rough to get out without doing some damage to either the case or the parts that's on the case. And it's pretty hard to save the rivets, although some people have done it. I pulled the old skin off. As you can see, the cases are in bad condition. And the bottom was about ready to fall out. And